Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, we're going to be talking about XRP. But before we get to this, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. XRP is crushing it, guys. It's coming back. It's up 28%. I've covered XRP on my channel here before. I'm going to start covering it more. I love this crypto. I love the utility around it. If you don't really know what it does, I'm actually going to show you, and we're going to talk about it. I'm going to give you a very clear and concise utility explanation. Say that really hard. Explanation. It's a hard word of the day. Use that one today in a sentence. We're going to give you a clear that, and we're going to look at the overall price action, the chart, a look at where it stands in the overall market. Is the overall crypto market up, down? You probably know. Yeah, it's up a little bit. We're going to talk about all that today in this video. As always, remember there's some scammers below. If there's somebody that looks like me trying to get you to go over to WhatsApp to give them money or something like that, that ain't me. Please don't do it. Don't get taken advantage of. I'm looking into some software. I got to talk to those guys this week that'll take care of these scammers, and I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm talking to them this week. So here we go. We're going to go take a look at XRP. Here we go. All right, so as you can see, 85 cents, up 19 cents in the last 24 hours, up 30%. That does not suck, okay? I am a huge fan of XRP. And yes, I know the SEC, Ripple, all that's going on with that. I'm really not going to talk a lot about that. There's not been a lot of movement. The latest I saw related to the SEC/Ripple case, the SEC had I think had a little bit of positive momentum. They got a couple little judgments to go their way related to kind of discovery and all this kind of process. That court case has been slated to start later here in the summer. It's coming, and we'll see how it all plays out. But meanwhile, XRP continues to do its thing, and I am a fan of it at the end of the day as a cryptocurrency asset. Okay, so you're looking at a chart here. Chart is like pretty bad from the standpoint of this major fall off. We all know what this was. This was what I'm calling Chinageddon. That's my term. I need to copyright that or trademark it or something like that. But my point is that this is all related to China coming out saying they're banning crypto, blah, blah, blah. We've all talked about it a million times. And it's also a result of kind of the continued fallout that happened Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, that when everything was just kind of overall blood red, the crypto markets, all the media coming out was saying that that there was an asteroid heading at the cryptocurrency market and it was going to blow it up and we were all going to die in the next 5 minutes. And it was like, then we're going to be headed, it was just this bunch of crap. Okay. And it got to the point where it kind of irritated me trying to read and bring you guys information on crypto, and every single piece of news content I was seeing was that Bitcoin is dead, Ethereum is dead, everything is dead, oh, it's all dead, and oh, by the way, it's dead. And then, oh, by the way, all the news now, I just got to show you this. I'm sorry, I got to show you this. And then all the news now, specifically rated to cryptocurrency news, right? So all the news now is well, of course it's not now that I'm on live video. It's actually, I looked at it earlier and it was pretty up. It was like, Bitcoin rebounds after a wild week. It's coming back. Everything's looking good. You're starting to kind of, get back. Dogecoin is coming back. Dogecoin is the best thing that you need to be doing. XRP is a great investment, blah, 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 blah. You started to kind of see, like there was a Motley Fool, Bitcoin rebounds after a wild weekend, this owns it and it's blah, blah, blah. My point to you is that the flow of news related to everything kind of crypto was horrible. We're all going to die in the next 5 minutes. And then Monday morning, oh, it's great. It's wonderful. Okay, let's get back into it. And it's just like, it could kind of drive you nuts. But you have to take a step back, guys, and go, what are the news outlets in business to do? They're in business to get you to come look at their content so that they can drive and sell ad revenue, right? Or sell products and services, sell their whatever it is they're selling. At the end of the day, you always need to remember that. I'm not faulting them. I get it. They're in the business of creating content. I'm in the business of creating content, right? I mean, I create content for you guys to come watch my videos. And by the way, thank you. I'm humbled and I really, truly, sincerely appreciate your support. But you always got to remember that that's what they're in the business of doing. And there's always going to be this ebb and flow of news, right? It always is. All right. Anyway, I digress. So you can see from the 7-day chart, we were down, kind of down. This was all kind of in this scenario of, this was leading. This was China-geddon right in here. And then everything kind of just continued to go down a little bit. I will say, guys, that XRP held up pretty well to an overall really, really tumultuous 4 or 5 plus days. It just was from like Wednesday through Sunday. It was just not a great time, right? And it's done really, really well. Ranked number 7 in overall cryptocurrency rankings. Let's refresh this right here. Right behind Dogecoin. In fact, literally, look at this, guys. Right behind 39.7 to 42.57. Right there. Up 31.57%. Really not bad at all. Okay, you guys know I'm a huge fan of XRP. Honestly, I haven't had time to cover it because I've been covering other cryptos, but I'm going to start bringing you guys this crypto more and more as we roll along. Our 24-hour low, it has been 65. 24-hour high has been 89. Okay, so we're kind of right there, man. We're right there at the top of that. I think our next point is get back to $1, and then kind of keep rolling on. I think we absolutely could be there, by June. I think but again, I'm going to say this. I say this in all my videos, guys. We got to get positive, continue to get positive momentum with Bitcoin, Ethereum, because where Bitcoin and Ethereum go, up or down, XRP follows, Dogecoin follows. Everything follows those two blue chip bellwether cryptos, whatever you want to call them. They're the market leaders. They are, right? However you feel about Bitcoin, love it, hate it, don't, whatever it may be, it is the one that everybody looks at. And when it's down, usually the entire market is down. When it's up, the entire market is up. Okay? All right. So let me check my time. We're doing good. Okay. So I promised you this. If you don't really know what XRP does, this is a very, very, very simple explanation of its utility. Okay? I've got these things highlighted. I'm literally going to help you kind of read through them. Okay? So XRP plays a role in Ripple's ecosystem. And what it is current cross-border transactions, these are financial transactions, occur between technology systems that are siloed and not connected to each other. Ripple uses interledger protocol, which enables the routing of payments through interconnected ledgers to connect these systems. Okay? As clever and future-forward the technology may be, interledgers still do not solve the problem of pre-funding fiat currencies in accounts for foreign exchange transfers. All right, this is where XRP, right here, can't highlight it, comes in. Ripple's products use XRP to ensure quick liquidity. XRapid, another Ripple product, uses XRP as a, quote, bridge asset or an asset that businesses and financial institutions can use as a bridge transfer between two different fiat currencies. In such a scenario, the financial institution can simply purchase an equivalent amount of XRP and send it through Ripple's network. Ripple refers to it as a third-party liquidity provisioning, end quote, and states that it is ideal for banks that do not have a corresponding relationships with each other. Okay? Ripple's solution is not a new concept. In fact, XRP's role can be considered similar to the role that the US dollar plays in international markets. That's it. That's what it does, guys. Okay? So that's one of the reasons I love XRP is that it's built into this ecosystem of these money transfer situations, right? That's its utility. I love that. I think it's awesome. I think it's cool. It's B2B. It's business to business. And that's the reason I love. I love all cryptos for different reasons, right? They're all different. I love Cardano for a different reason than I like Ethereum, right? And Polygon, etc. I love them all for different reasons. Dogecoin, I love Dogecoin because of the Doge army and the celebrity media factor and the kind of sexy, the sizzle. I would not consider XRP to be a sexy / sizzle crypto, but that's okay. That's okay. Which leads me to my final point of when you're doing crypto investing, right? I say this all the time. It's not investment advice, but spread your risk, guys. Spread your risk. Don't have every dollar you have in XRP. Don't have every dollar you have in Doge, and don't have it all in Ethereum or Bitcoin. Spread it around to different cryptos, as well as spread it outside of the crypto market. I mean, as evidenced by these last 4 or 5 days when we lost, untold amount of market cap in the overall crypto market. Spread it over into stocks. Spread it. Buy yourself some index funds. Just spread your risk. Risk diversification, risk management, minimization, risk management, whatever you want to call it. Spread your risk. All right. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Drop down below a thumbs up and a comment. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll continue to cover this if you guys, if it gets the views and we get the support for the video. I'll see you down the road. See you. Bye.